Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to unarchive messages on WhatsApp, whether you're on iPhone or Android. But before I begin with the video, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So what you want to do is open up WhatsApp, and once you have opened up the WhatsApp, you see the archived messages here, so at the top. You just want to click on that and you will see your archived messages. If for some reason you don't see it, just go all the way to up and you will see it. But basically click on archived and you can long hold, tap on archive, or scroll from right to left, click on unarchive, or edit, select chats, and then at the bottom left unarchive. And if I click it, now the chat is unarchived. And as you can see, it's back in my main chats. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.